take an example. Suppose a company has issued 10,000 debentures of 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 per share. Application money is 20, allotment is 50 including rupees 10 premium, and 40 is on first and final call. Total application received for 12,000 debentures. 2,000 application are rejected and full allotment are made to the applicant of 10,000 shares. Now what will be the journal entries? First of all, first entry will be passed by 2,40,000. Total application are received 12,000. Application money is 20 per debentures. So 12,000 into 20, 2,40,000. So first entry will be passed by this amount, 2,40,000. Total debentures we have allotted 10,000. Application money we should receive at the rate 20 per debentures, 2 lakh. So second entry will be passed by this amount to the applicant to whom no any debenture is given. Their application money will be returned. So 40,000 will be returned back. So first entry will be passed by this amount. Bank account debit to debenture application account. Bank account debit to debenture application, 2,40,000. Now second entry for the adjustment of application money. Debenture application account debit 240, 2% debenture, this amount 2 lakh will be transferred to the debentures account. To bank, 40,000 is returned by the company because 2,000 application are rejected. So 2,000 into 20, total 40,000 we have returned back. Now the entry for allotment, debenture allotment account debit, 2% debenture, to security premium reserve account. Security premium reserve will be credited because it is a profit for the company. 50 is the amount per debenture. In this 50, 10 is the premium. So just write here 10, and 40 is the amount of allotment. Now 10,000 debentures into 50, 5 lakh. 10,000 into 50, 5 lakh. 10,000 into 40, 4 lakh. 1 lakh is the amount of premium. For receiving allotment amount, bank account debit to percentage debenture allotment, 5 lakh. Being the allotment money received including premium. Now entry for first and final call. Debenture first and final call account debit, 2% debenture, $10,000 into 40, 4 lakh. For receiving first and final call money, bank account debit, 2% debenture, first and final call, 4 lakh. So these are the journal entries at the time of issue of debentures. Let us take an example. When the debentures are issued at discount, suppose a company has issued 10,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at 10% discount, 20 on application, 30 on allotment and 40 on first and final call money is called. Application are received for 10,000 debentures. What will be the journal entries? First entry, bank account debit to percentage debenture application account. Total application we have received 10,000 and per debenture application money is 20. So 10,000 into 20 we have received 2 lakh rupees. So this entry will be passed by rupees 2 lakh. Second entry, when we transfer our application money to the debentures account, debenture application account debit to percentage debentures 2 lakh. At the time of allotment, the journal entry will be debentures allotment account debit 30 rupees per debenture. Discount on debenture will be debited because it is a loss for the company. In nature, it is a capital loss. Discount on debenture will be debited to percentage debentures. Total amount 40. 10,000 into 30. Allotment money is 3 lakh. The amount of discount is rupees 10 per debenture. So total 1 lakh. Right here 4 lakh. For receiving allotment money, bank account debit to debenture allotment account 3 lakh. The amount which is written before the allotment is 3 lakh. So when we receive the amount of allotment, this amount will be written in the entry. Now, first and final call money, debenture first and final call account debit to percentage debentures. The amount of first and final call is rupees 40 per debenture. So 40 into 10,000, 4 lakh. When company received first and final call money, bank account debit to debenture first and final call. Total 4 lakh. This discount is a capital loss and it may be written off against any capital profit like security premium or capital reserve, or it can be written off against profit and loss account. If this discount is written off against security premium, the journal entry will be security premium reserve account debit to discount on debentures. If this discount is written off against statement of P&L, the journal entry will be statement of P&L debit 2 discount on debentures.